live in these family matters. That shows the mettle of the lawyer. So we are happy to see your shining mettle as a lawyer. But at the same time, wait till tomorrow. ठीक है? कल सुबह यहीं रोकिएगा. मीडिएशन 5 बजे 6 बजे जितनी बजे चले बैठ रहिएगा वहां पे, कोई बात नहीं, बैठ रहे. टाइम जो हीलिंग, ये सब क्या है कि हीलिंग है. हमने आपको सुबह भी कहा कि आप दोनों रेस्पेक्टेड हो, हस्बैंड भी रेस्पेक्टेड है, वाइफ भी रेस्पेक्टेड है. ठीक है, आप दोनों रेस्पेक्टेड हो, बैठो. ठीक है, जितनी पटरी आपसे बैठेगी बैठ जाएगी, और नहीं बैठेगी तो हम आपकी मदद करेंगे. और अगर आप हमारी मदद नहीं ले लोगे तो हम जबरदस्ती आपकी मदद कर देंगे. ठीक है, वो आप चिंता मत करो. ठीक है, चल.
I'm the power of attorney holder in the emergency payroll. Personally met Sanjay Assamli Bapu in the Being Hospital, and he is ready for whatever way he is, the court wants him to reach Madhava. Anyway, he just wants to reach Madhava. That's the situation. His body is all swollen up, his face is swollen up, he cannot talk, he cannot recognize also with difficulty, and he needs. He's praying that just let me reach Madhava somehow. And he's ready for custody also.
Who are the two persons who went?
Myself, Ram.
Who are you?
Siddharth.
No lawyer went?
But I did not go personally. I spoke to him, and then these two people were allowed to speak. My lord, he is okay in custody in case he is sent to Madhavbag. That's one thing. The second question, which my
At his own cost?
Yes, the cost. My lord, the situation is such that if that is the only reason for denial, then my lord, he is not wanting to take that risk. But at the same time, my lord, in the other in the coordinate bench,
Why he doesn't want to bear the cost?
My lord, the situation is that
I would like to answer that, my lord, because he spent more than 4 lakhs during the first trial of 10 days. He spent more than 4 lakhs.
We don't want to go into that.
My lord,
We don't want to hear.
because after that the trauma
No.
so that has affected him.
We don't.
That after
What is the
4
treatment
lakhs,
period
what
there?
What is the treatment period there?
Currently they said 7 days first they would give, and then they would come to know further what is required. And my lord, he has then also requested the court that the going and coming, the charges that are levied for the police persons, that he'll bear, but the days that he has to spend.
Everything he has to bear. Everything that is provided in law. We are not going to impose anything. We are not going to maximize anything. We are not going to reduce anything. Everything is in case because we have been consulting each other, but ultimately my lords also we both have to consult for a longer time.
Yes.
It is not an ordinary case because there is a law involved.
Yes.
Not because of persons, all citizens are equal for us. There is a component of law. There are convictions of 2 different cases. There are convictions of 2 different territories. Then the territorial jurisdiction happens in 226, which is or in a high court, always territorial jurisdictions are important even in criminal laws. So we'll have whatever, we don't know what we are going to do, but prima facie we should be equipped with your response. So since you have made a mentioning in the morning that he is quite serious, therefore we are giving you this indulgence because a citizen is serious. We are taking note of it. Otherwise, we were not going to hear it today. We are not concerned. Everybody has to come in the queue. There is a queue. But if you are ill, if you require immediate attention, any citizen, this court is always open. So therefore, on those counts, we are only asking.
My lords, one concern that the lordships had raised regarding his security, I would like to. This is an adverse report by the police. Without any proof, just said in the air. If they had proved it, I would understand and okay, as they say. But this Supreme Court, the Pappu Khan judgment has been annexed in the written arguments by R.N. Mathurji also and explained in detail that if they are not proving anything what they are saying, they cannot be believed. So, my lord, I just request when deciding whatever my lord decides, please request that please keep this in mind that Pappu Khan, they have not shown any proof. They are just saying things in the air without any baseless. And then saying that is why you should not go. Just for the sake of objective. And the state is also ready, has admitted that they are ready. So, whatever my lord feels, I'm ready.
बस हो गया हो गया। तो कुछ ऑर्डर से निकालनी पड़ेगी, ऑर्डर से कुछ निकालनी पड़ेगी, हिसाब से निकलवाना पड़ेगा। मेडिसिन सेंटर में एट 2 PM के लिए तो क्या आना पड़ेगा। रिपोर्ट आने में निकाल दो तुम्हारे सेंटर वाले निकाल दो। His lordship, sir.
Uh, you give us the mission slip, mention the illness in that, and mention the heart attack which he has suffered day before yesterday. And we can't hurriedly, Mr. Joshi, pronounce any legal provisions. We don't want to do it. We are not going to, this is a division bench of Rajasthan High Court and it has wide ramifications. We can't decide law in one day. Suppose today the gentleman has started mentioning the petitioner in person in the morning. Overnight we can't bring in rule 1 what we have to say regarding 221 rule, and we are not in a hurry to do that. So what we'll do is, on his wait, now we wait. On his mentioning in the morning and again re-mentioning, Mr. Boda will submit a application for listing of the matter. We'll list it on pronouncement, on dictation. For dictation सुबह लगा देते हैं, आपको जो भी कहना चाहते हैं और कह दीजिएगा. हमें लगेगा कि कोई इंटरिम मेजर की आवश्यकता है तो देखेंगे, हमें लगेगा कि फिर रूल ही तय करना है तो आगे रख देंगे, फिर वापस रिजर्व कर लेंगे. Ordinarily matters which we reserve, if we have to talk to the lawyers, we put it in this category of to be mentioned or dictation. To be mentioned मिल गया.
Some clarification has been needed then to be mentioned. Only dictation is where
यहाँ कैप्शन क्या रहता है मैम?
this simply
No, ordinarily we should list it in dictation or
only dictation part is remaining there in dictation.
क्या कैप्शन है?
to be mentioned करेगा.
तो भी मेंशन में लॉर्ड से होगा महाराष्ट्र की रिपोर्ट भी मंगाना नहीं बनता,
मंगाइए ना,
मंगानी पड़ेगी क्योंकि पहले पुलिस ने दी,
मंगाइए ना, मंगाइए,
रिपोर्ट मंगाएंगे हम.
मंगा लीजिए, मंगा लीजिए.
Your lordships, and the two prayers are there in the prayer section. One is regarding the.
Now we are permitting only mentioning. You mentioned tomorrow morning. We don't know what is going to happen. Now, on your until now deliberations, we have agreed to put it for to be mentioning tomorrow. Further, after mentioning what will be the result will come out tomorrow. We don't know what is going to be the result. We'll hear the WG. Meanwhile, you send in a message right now and get some report by morning. What is the kind of threat? क्या मुश्किल है जोशी साहब आजकल के जमाने के अंदर.
कोशिश पूरी करना.
अगर somebody is having such critical illness, आप ये मंगा दो, आपको लग रहा है वो मंगाइए. हम आपको ये नहीं कह रहे हैं आप ये मंगाओगे वो सेफ है, आपकी मर्जी है जो मंगाइए, लेकिन रिपोर्ट तो मंगाइए. अगर मैटर की कोई, अगर किसी नागरिक की अगर सेहत सही नहीं है तो आपकी जिम्मेदारी है कि उसको
हमसे भी रिपोर्ट मंगा दूंगा वहां से.
मंगवा लीजिए. आप कंसर्न रिपोर्ट्स मंगा के रखिए और परमिशन स्लिप के ऊपर जो है वो टू बी मेंशन कैटेगरी में लगा दें. ऑर्डर शीट तो कल ही लिखेगी, फाइल लगेगी जब. ठीक है,
2 बजे
आप परमिशन स्लिप टू बी मेंशन. ठीक है,
आफ्टर लंच रख पाते.
हाँ, जैसे ही नंबर आएगा वैसे ही आ जाएगा. सप्लीमेंट्री में जब नंबर आएगा तो आ जाएगा. ठीक है मिस्टर बोड़ा. Start.
Serial number 21. Passport case.
क्या हुआ? Habeas corpus